In December, we crossed the border with a caravan and settled in San Felipe for a few days before continuing our almost 2-month adventure down the Baja Peninsula.
58.
We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
After 5 nights in San Felipe, we headed south with fellow Baja newbies SprintSlow. Our first stop was the Puertecitos Hot Springs. To access the hot springs, you have to wait for the tide to go out. When we arrived, it was high tide. We had lunch as we waited for the springs to warm up. Something near that pool right there. The temperature is
61 and a half. 62. Seems to be a pretty consistent 62. 58.
As the tide began to go out, we kept checking the temperature with our infrared thermometer.
Oh, this is hot?
Yeah, exactly. I wouldn't say warm, Ellie. I think you're.
You don't think I just got I'm wishing.
It's hot right over here.
Yeah.
I didn't feel it, so I think that's what's going on.
What do you feel?
You left me? Is that what he said? I don't know. Rich.
What do you think?
It's like over here, it's not bad.
So that's
I think it's like hot, probably because the moon is coming up.
yeah, I don't know. It's got to get below this wall right here. I was going to see what your temperature was at. This says 86. So figure back. Rich and Gio tried out the springs as it warmed up. Gio did a cold plunge before entering the springs. up for the night. We spent a beautiful night at the Hot Springs Campground and in the morning headed south to Bahia De Los Angels.